Well, Detroit Federal District Judge Linda Parker will decide in a few weeks whether to hold several attorneys accountable for filing a lawsuit to stop the count of the presidential election in Detroit and the state of Michigan. She spent some 5 hours grilling them about claims made in affidavits in the lawsuit and whether the attorneys did their due diligence, making sure they were not false. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirstner covered the hearing all day long for us, and he joins us live with what could happen in the future. Jim.
Let me tell you, this is being watched across the country. The equivalent of 13,000 people packing into a courtroom here in Detroit. Instead, they watch the live stream virtually online. These attorneys face possible big fines, face possible being barred from practicing in federal court, face possible total disbarment. More history with Michigan's election.
I would not want to be one of these lawyers who are facing sanctions today. President Trump does have the freedom under the First Amendment to make statements about the fact that he won the election.
The allegations of election fraud came from several people, and affidavits or sworn statements that were at the center of a lawsuit to stop the count. That included allegations of ballot dumps at the TCF Center, where the city of Detroit count was taking place. The attorney for the city said in court the actual voter turnout was 51%. President Trump said this in a recorded conversation with Georgia elected officials in January.
In Detroit, we had 139% of the people voted. That's not too good.
Attorney Sidney Powell led the litigation for Trump. Michigan attorneys, including Greg Roll, also signed off on the Trump lawsuit and could be sanctioned. Many attorneys told the judge they want a hearing for the people who signed the affidavits to be heard, but the judge did not decide that. More than 13,000 people were watching the virtual court hearing live across the nation.
Historically, we are kind of defining the parameters for what lawyers can do if you have a president who claims to have won an election that he didn't and seek remedies in court.
So certainly a lot at stake. This federal judge here in Detroit, Linda Parker, giving these attorneys in the hot seat 2 weeks to file briefs. Then she will decide who gets sanctioned and how much. Reporting live, Jim Kirstner, 7 Action News.
Jim, thank you.